Hello. I'm bored.
The cameras. Your dad's going to pick you up.
Oh, that's not my dad.
Oh.
Can you guys comment and just have an intro, because all I'm gonna do is just do vlogs.
What's your channel? Subscribe to Scorpion Gamer. Go check me out.
That's not. Like this video and put in comments. Just put in the comments down below. Dang it. And it's pouring.
Boy, this guy looks like this.
Guys, look. Look at that.
Rage.
Look, it's not even raining on my camera. Rage mode. No, I'm not just at the park. Like and subscribe. Guys, is this camera terrible?
Yes.
Is it too close to my face?
No, it's way horrible. Yeah. And you don't even...
It's raining.
I feel like going down that pathway.
I know, but you don't like when you get your clothes dirty.
Just please put an intro, and I'll try and do it.
You know what?
What?
But it has to be a voice, okay?
No, I mean on my...
And if you haven't, apart from that,
Right down.
Oh, I know.
like and subscribe
What happened?
to join the Sasko team, or just Andrew team.
I'm doing it.
And
It's okay.
I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.